Today is the lecture 1 of Basic Electronics Introduction of Op-Amp, which is the part 1. So let's begin with our today's lecture, and today's lecture is Operational Amplifiers and Application, and today we will be doing with the introduction to Op-Amp. We also say Operational Amplifier in short as Op-Amp, and this is the part 1 of this Operational Amplifiers. Okay, so let's start. An operational amplifier commonly called known as op-amp. Okay, so basically what does it say? That I said that in short we can also call operational amplifier as op-amp. And how the name came? Operational op and amplifiers amp, so it become op-amp. Okay, it is a two input single output differential voltage amplifier. Before this statement, we should know that what basically differential voltage amplifier. See, we know that amplifier basically means what? Anything which amplifies something, right? But differential voltage amplifier means that think that there are two input voltages and it will have its own output, right? So whenever if there will be a common input voltage, then differential amplifier will low down the voltage of both the common voltage which the two input has. See, if think that it's like this, so this is two input, so this is the common one, so this will have low voltage according to the both two input voltages. Okay, and here it says that it will have two input and one output, that is one output in the differential voltage amplifier. Okay, it is characterized by high gain. See, here there basically op-amp has three basic characteristics, that is high gain, one, that the gain will be high input impedance. See, before that we should know what basically impedance is. Like in DC current we have resistance, whenever we use AC circuit we use impedance. Okay, so this is where it will have high input impedance or resistance. For your convenience I am saying resistance, and it will have low output impedance. Whatever its input will be high, input impedance will be high, but its output impedance will be low. Okay, so now the term operational amplifier denotes a special type of amplifier. Operational amplifier is a special type of amplifier. It works a little differently through other amplifiers, and if we select proper external components, then we can configure for a variety of operation. Operational amplifiers do a lot of operation only and only if we choose the components correctly. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. See, this is the symbol of op-amp. It will have two input, one will be minus and one will be plus, and one will be the input voltage and one will be output voltage. Sorry, one will be positive voltage and one will be negative voltage. Okay, and we will see this in our pen configuration what it is, and this will be our output, only one output, because it will have two input and one output, right? Op-amps are differential amplifiers. I told what is differential amplifier? The two input voltage, but whenever there will be a common voltage, it will low down its voltage, right? And their output voltage is proportional to the difference of the two input voltage. Op-amps are differential amplifier. Op-amp is a differential amplifier, and their output voltage is proportional to the difference between two input voltage. Here it states that think this two's difference is proportional to this output. Okay, the op-amp schematic is shown in the above figure. This is the schematic, or you can say the symbol. The two input terminal these two input terminal called the inverting and non-inverting are labeled with minus and plus. See, this one is the inverting one and this one is a non-inverting one. Okay, now let's do the circuit symbol. See, there will be two input, inverting, non-inverting, one output. This is the positive supply terminal and this is the negative supply terminal, and there one will be grounded. Okay, and this is the output terminal. Circuit symbol for general purpose op amp. Okay, this is the circuit symbol for general purpose op amp. The input terminal identified by the minus and plus symbols are designed inverting and non-inverting. I told that these are the two input symbol, and minus is the inverting one and plus is the non-inverting one. Okay, and their voltages with respect to ground are denoted. These are the voltage and these are with the respect to the ground. So these are represented, one as Vn and one as Vp. Why Vn? See, voltage of negative, voltage of positive, and our output voltage will be denoted as V0, voltage of output. Okay, op amp do not have a 0 volt ground terminal. Ground reference is established externally by the power supply common. You can see that here is a ground reference, it is connected to the power supply and hence it doesn't have a 0 volt grounded terminal. Okay, so let's keep our lecture till here. We will move on to the other topics in the next, that is the part 2 of the op amp or operational amplifier. Till then, good luck. Now it's the code time. All's well that ends well. I hope all of you understood today's lecture and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.